already cleared about that we are innocent in this case, and we can't have a kind of information about this case. My client is very innocent, and we are playing this in a court action. Just in the Hindi conversation, I will tell you like that. It's a part of trial. The pendency is going on. There is a no order passed right now, and nothing is being given a date or anything. Right?
So the order is reserved, the bail.
Yeah, bail is reserved right now.
So the date will be announced later.
Yeah.
So how confident are you of getting a bail for your client?
No, I'm definitely confident about myself and my argument, and hope the court is also understand my opinions in this case and argument on this case. And the nature of this case is not a kind of harder for my client side.
The case against Sharon James is that, according to police, destruction of evidence. So what will be your argument in that?
It's a matter of argument is that we are innocent in this case. हमें बुरी तरीके से फंसाया गया है, कॉन्स्पिरेंसी की गई.
But he has taken certain things.
Yeah, in fact, this pistol, jewelry, and other things were recovered.
I really humbly says you, it's the part of trial. Right now, no comment in that, because this is a sincere case and very. If something is happened and anything I tell you right now, then it will be goes against that case and all.
So you are hopeful that your client may get bailed up, like Tamara and the security guard.
No, definitely.